Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are giving the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and we are asked to find the value of x. Okay, so I'm going to show us quickly on how to find the value of x. Solution. Now, for us to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, if we have a matrix A, B, C, D, okay, and the determinant is calculated as, now what's the determinant of this matrix? We multiply this by this, that is AD minus, we multiply this by this, BC. All right, so the determinant of this matrix is A times D minus B times C. All right, so, and then we are going to apply that to this matrix that we are given. All right, so if you want to find the determinant of this, we are going to multiply this by this, right, and then multiply this by this. So we have 2x multiplied by minus 5, then minus, we have minus 3 multiplied by x, and then everything is equals to what? Everything equals to 14. Okay, so now let's multiply this. 2x times minus 5 will give us minus 10x minus, then we have minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x. Everything equals 14. All right, so now let's multiply these negative signs. Minus times minus will give us plus, so we have minus 10x plus 3x equals to 14, and then these are like times. Minus 10x plus 3x will give us minus 7x. Minus 7x equals to 14. So from here, we divide both sides by minus 7. That's the coefficient of x. So we divide this by minus 7 and we divide this by minus 7. And then, of course, our x equals to 7 here 1, 7 in 14 is 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Our x is equals to minus 2. So now I want us to try something similar. I want us to try something very similar. So let's try this. We have x plus 2 minus 1 here. We have 4 here, x here. Everything equals to 5. All right, so let's find the value of x. All right, and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.